Okay, day one, starting a master bathroom, and I'm going to see if I can upload a video every day as the progress of this bathroom as I'm getting along. So I just got here, I brought up some tools. Just a level, some cordless tools. I got my hydrovan board over here, and now I got this shower to do. It's 8 feet by 4 feet. There's going to be a corner bench over here. There's going to be a corner bench over there. There's going to be a niche here and a niche here. And 2 drains. One drain here and one drain there. So I'm going to have to make it so in the middle, any water gets in the middle, it's going to either go one way or the other, because I don't want any pooling in the middle. I want the water to drain completely down. So first thing I'm going to do is check the alignment of these studs and see if I'd have to do any shimming. So let's check these studs, see how we're doing here. Okay, so this stud is sticking out. I'm gonna have to shave this one down. And this stud here up high is sticking out. I'm gonna have to shave that down too. So let's get going with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a planer set to the maximum depth to shave down that stud. Installing tile and building a shower isn't really as easy as it looks. I try to bring you the most accurate information so that you can build a shower according to TCA methods and standards. If you find my content useful and you get something out of it, please consider subscribing. It really help me out. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks a lot. I got all the studs shaved down. And now I'm good all the way across, except for that one stud that I'm going to have to shim out. Then I'll put the board up this way. Okay, feed the sealant. Okay, so that's it for me today. For today, I got the hydrovan board up. So I got all the hydrovan board up. It's all sealed. It's don't need any banding. The sealer is what creates a waterproof seal at the corners and at the seams. I got the curb on. Tomorrow we're going to do the mud. So if you want to know exactly how to do this, I will link to a video in the cards that shows exactly all the details on how to install a HydroBand board shower. So anyway, that's it for today, for day one. Okay, so day two, I'm going to install the dry pack mud floor in the shower. This is it. I got flow effects drains, tar paper, wire lath, put down the tar paper, the wire lath, install the drains, install the mud. Okay, so I got all the perimeter down for the mud. I'm going to show you in just 1 second so that I can screed from one drain to the middle and from the middle to the other drain and then from the two ends. So the drain, so the perimeter is all completely level, and then the center is level, except I made it just slightly pitched down towards the center a little bit, just a tiny little bit. Now I'm gonna fill in all the way around and pitch to both drains, from the center to this drain, from the edges over here to this drain, and same over here from the center to that drain, and give it a nice slope so that no water will accumulate in the center. It'll either drain to one side or the other. Okay, so that's it. Pitch to the drain. Pitch to the drain. Pitch to the drain. All the way around. So just going to clean up a little bit, and that's it for today.